Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact track and version you need, then check its license type. Creative Commons versus a commercial sync license matters. Once identified, find the rights holder and request written permission that explicitly covers YouTube and monetization if needed. Make sure to save all messages and contracts. Attachments or PDFs count as proof. If the song is in a catalog, note publisher and label names. Acting now cuts later disputes and keeps your workflow smooth. Once you have permission, confirm the license scope. Territories, term, monetization, and platforms. Make sure YouTube is listed. Next, check whether the track is enrolled in Content ID. If it is, ask the rights holder to whitelist your channel or register the license with YouTube. Prepare clean stems or edited audio as specified, and craft exact attribution text to paste into your description. Keep organized copies of all docs so you can prove right to use the moment a claim appears. When you upload, paste a short license summary and the rights holder contact into the description. Pin it so viewers and moderators can find it. Then publish and monitor YouTube Studio for Content ID matches or copyright strikes. If a claim appears, respond quickly with the exact license file and communication proof. Finally, keep all records for at least 1 year. If things go wrong, the troubleshooting tip. Escalate through YouTube's dispute flow and attach the written sync license to resolve false claims fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.